Hi, tonight from Groovy Entertainment. Today we're gonna record a play for you. Today record is the Fog Boat story. So let's get started.
Hi there, Captain. Hello, Captain Smith.
Well, good morning to the both of you. And a foggy morning it is here on the waterfront. The tugboats on the river had better look sharp this morning.
Here comes a tug right now. Wonder where it's going.
Well, looks like she's headed for that big ocean liner docked right over there by that pier.
Look, two other tugboats are already there.
Pretty soon they'll be towing the liner out to the ocean.
But how can such little tiny tugboats pull a great big ocean liner?
She may not look it, but that little tug is mighty strong. Just listen to her chugging along. Chug, 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 chug. I am just a little tug. Chug, 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 chug. I am just a little tug. Chug, 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 chug. I am small, but I am strong. Chug, 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 chug. I can pull the whole day long. Chug, 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 chug. I am just a little tug. Chug, 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 chug. I am just a little tug.
What a chirpy little tugboat. It almost sounds as though we're talking.
Sometimes, if you make believe, it sounds just as though all of the boats on the river were talking. I'm awful smart. Toot, 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 toot. I pull big things.
Ooh, look over there through the fog. What a big ship coming up the river.
That's a freighter, loaded down with heavy freight. Watch out, my load is heavy. Watch out, my load is heavy. Hum, my big propellers turn. Hum, see the water turn. Oh, I'm a big freighter, and I am loaded down. I'm sailing up the river to a faraway town. My big propellers turn. See the water turn. Oh, I am a freighter, and I am loaded down. I'm sailing up the river to a faraway town. My big propellers turn. See the water turn. Watch out, my load is heavy. Watch out, my load is heavy. Look over there. The tugboats have begun pulling the ocean liner out of the slip and into the river.
Oh, the ocean liner is even bigger than the freighter. It's as big as a mountain almost. passengers up on the decks. I wonder where they're going.
Toot, toot, cross the sea. Toot, toot, cross the sea.
Look, the tugs are swinging the liner out into the middle of the river. And they're towing it right down towards the ocean.
Ding dong, hear my song. Ding dong, hear my song.
Why is that bell ringing, Captain?
That's a bellboy, telling all the boats to look out for the big rocks sticking up out of the water. Ding dong, hear my song. Ding dong, hear my song.
It's so foggy I can't see the ocean liner and the tugs anymore.
They must have reached the mouth of the river by now. I'm moving all alone. I'm moving all alone. When they reach open water, the liner sails along on her own power. Then the little tugs come home. I'm moving all alone, all alone.
Gee, that ocean liner must have awfully big engines.
When you're down in the engine room, you can feel the whole ship throb. The big rods thump up and down, and the giant wheels spin around and around and around. Bim bam, bim bam, I am the engine that drives the ship. Bim bam, I drive the liner on its trip. Up and down, I am the rods that turn the wheels. Up and down, I am the rods that turn the wheels. Spin around, boom, I am the wheels in the engine room. Spin around, boom, I am the wheels in the engine room. Bim bam, bim bam, bim bam, bim bam, I am the engine that drives the ship. Bim bam, bim bam, bim bam, bim bam, I drive the liner on its trip. Cross the sea, all alone! Cross the sea, all alone!
So that was the Fog Boat story. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a great day with another video coming out real soon.